On the last point first, the honorable member has used the opportunity when the deputy speaker is presiding in the house to corner me.
Not corner.
I'll certainly have the matter looked into because there are constraints of finances, but that this is also a successful scheme. We'll certainly look into this matter.
See, all the central
Now,
government schemes, Minister sir, central government schemes what you are giving for state government also, that can be taken for through MP, that can be done. Same way.
Sir, as far as banks is concerned, the Department of Financial Services is going to divide this entire amount, which is being infused from the budget, both between the banks which need it the most and also the banks which are performing banks. So we don't want a situation that the performers are discriminated because they also, additional capital means they'll be able to leverage 10 or 11 times that money in a bid to give it to the people who need it for industrialization and growth of India. Therefore, the capacity of the performers also has to be enhanced further, and those which are in some distress situation also has to be helped. So there is a system that they have drawn out in order to divide this amount between both the categories. The INB ministry which Mr. Mehtab asked is nothing new being added because of a conflict of position which he thinks that I have, that I am favoring one ministry. In the past, because of the large size and the employment size in Prasar Bharati, the INB ministry has suffered a large amount of loss, and therefore this is only a technical supplementary in terms of writing off that past losses. So nothing new is being inducted. The past losses in several departments are being written off. So the INB ministry's 11,000 odd which you mentioned is a writing off of that past losses. Air India, there is already a scheme, the Honourable Minister is here, which is being implemented. And I'm sure the Minister has heard the comments of the Honourable Member. He'll certainly get into. Now on Andhra Pradesh, as I said earlier, I fully appreciate. And therefore Andhra Pradesh is the only one amongst the large states which has to be given a special assistance for 5 years because the bifurcation of the state has made it a revenue deficit state. And that's a solemn commitment we as a country have towards Andhra because it's one of the performing states as far as India is concerned. Its capital is being set up, the Sachivalaya has to be set up, a high court has to be set up, Raj Bhavan, minister's residence, a whole new city itself has to come up. Now for the capital, for industrialization, there are various kinds of measures which we have taken. The Finance Commission itself suggested an additional revenue grant. Now, unfortunately, what had happened is that earlier we used to have a concept of a special category state. The Finance Commission said, now you will not have that category. With regard to the northeastern states, the Chief Minister's Committee in the Niti Aayog is looking into this question. But as far as Andhra is concerned, irrespective of what happens to that controversy, some special help in terms of compensating Andhra Pradesh in all these projects, whether it is your water project, whether it is your capital project, whether it is the revenue deficit, whether it is additional central projects to be given to the state, so that the state is able to develop that capital, all that will be given. As far as the central resources are concerned, I'd like to assure the members from Andhra Pradesh that will be not found wanting as far as assistance to Andhra Pradesh is concerned. And similarly, which other states which have some special features when they require it, if revenues of the Government of India increase, the country grows only when the states grow. And therefore, it is going to be our endeavour to help each one of the states as far as their special needs is concerned. We would certainly not be discriminating as far as any state is concerned. As far as Mudra Bank is concerned, I will certainly check up where the headquarters is to be established. I'll certainly consider Mr. Mehtab's request because it's so far only a scheme. The scheme has to be converted into a bank. So once it is done, we'll certainly keep these factors in mind so that it's a bank which is intended to encourage small entrepreneurs. The scheme has already started working and it's working quite well.
आंध्र प्रदेश के और तेलंगाना के दोनों सम्मानित सदस्यों से मैं अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि सरकार अपनी तरफ से प्रयत्नशील है और जहां भी आवश्यक होगा बातचीत करके यह इंश्योर करने की कोशिश करेगी ताकि किसी के साथ इनजस्टिस न होने पाए।